Hello and welcome to Book's World Auto DIYs. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button to stay notified of newly updated videos. Okay, here's another short quick video. This is your 2000 and what is this, a 6 or a 5? 2005 Audi A4 convertible top. It's stuck in the down position or in the open position. This is what we'll do. Come to this panel over here on your driver's side. There's a little small notch somewhere in here, I guess. Let me see, you can see it. You can stick a little screwdriver in there to pry it open. What you'll do is you'll find this red handle in here. You pull that out. All right. Okay, now that you have your handle, you'll climb into the seat. You'll find your golf club compartment right here. Remove that. All right, you'll pull this down so it's out of your way. Okay, next, you'll look for this little hole. There's a hole up there. Can you see that? Okay, there's your hole. All right, this is the place where you'll insert that that wrench or that key that I just showed you. Then you'll come down here. You'll insert the key into the hole all the way up. All right, and what you'll do is turn the key until it catches and it hangs. Can you see it hanging? Okay, once it's hanging, you know you're in the right position. You take the red and turn it counterclockwise until it locks. Once it locks, you turn the whole key clockwise, and as you see, once you turn it clockwise, the top lid pops open. All right, and give it a good extra turn to get it up in the up position. Next, you'll lift it, push it all the way up until it locks. Okay. This part here you can do by yourself, but you usually would want to get somebody. At this point, what you do is grab firmly and lift. Again, if you can get an extra person, it'll be very, very helpful. Bring that all the way over. Keep the rear deck in the top position, up position. This is when close your deck. Make sure it's all the way down. At that point, you go back inside. Come on in. See your key. Turn your key in the counterclockwise position to lock the lid. As you can see, the lid is locked. All right. Then again, unscrew the red from there. Drop your key. Return your seat. Okay, now we'll go to the front. Okay, well, when you pull the lid down, make sure that your canvas or your cover is not caught in the mechanism. All right, next thing you do is take your key or a small screwdriver and remove this piece. As you can see, there's a little notch to help you take it out. All right, put it somewhere that you can actually find it. Now we'll return back to the key. Same thing in the separated, fully separated position. You'll insert it and turn it until it hangs. Once it hangs, you know you're in the right position. turn counterclockwise until that locks. And now if I bring it down, give it a turn toward my passenger side, the roof is now locked. Now what you'll do is unscrew your red. This comes out. Return your cap to the lock position. Okay, as you can see now, your roof is locked. Back, front. Usually when it gets stuck, it's the, what did you call that? The roof mechanism, the roof motor. Yeah, the convertible rooftop motor, which is another video for another day. But again, hopefully I helped you get your top up or down if you don't want to deal with changing the motor. Okay, and then of course return your key to the lock position and to the storage compartment, which happens to double as your fuse compartment. Anyway, y'all get the gist. Hopefully this has helped you. Once again, thanks for tuning in to Book's World DIYs. Hey, if this video has helped you, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.